Hey everyone, welcome to Python for Kids. In this video, we're going to make a basic calculator. So for this video, what we're going to need is, of course, we're going to open up Visual Studio Code. Okay, once you have done that, we're of course going to go ahead and create a new file, save it. And then you go ahead and save this. And once you have done that, we're gonna make a basic calculator, guys, like I said. And for this one, we're gonna type in def calculate. It's basically, oh wait, what? We're gonna write it just like we did for our lists. I meant functions. So as you can see over here, when we wrote for our function over here, we wrote def functionation function, and over here we are doing definition of the calculator, and it's going to give you a tab. Don't mess around with it. And you want to type in operation, and then you're going to hit equal to, and you're going to hit raw input. Okay guys, and then you're going to do this, and you're going to do 1 2 you want to 3, guys, 3 like that, and you want to do that again. So that should be 3 3, and then I'm just gonna type in, I'm just gonna hit enter. You want to hit backspace, and then you want to type in, please type in the math operation you would like to complete. So over here, guys, we're telling this computer to, when we're making a calculator, so when you go to Google, guys, and when you search up calculator and you want to do something, you know how it just says addition and everything? So yeah, basically like that. So plus sign for addition, and then subtraction sign for subtraction. Oh god, what did I do over there? And now remember, guys, for multiplication, guys, we have this star sign. So this star sign, it's shift A, guys, if you don't remember, shift A. And for multiplication, then you're gonna hit enter. And remember, division is the slash sign, guys. It's it's like right next to your shift sign. It's underneath the question mark, guys, for division. And then you're gonna hit enter, and you're just gonna leave that code like that. So over here, guys, we're telling this code over here that when someone runs this code and opens up calculator, it's it's asking for, do you want addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or division. So let's just go ahead and run it. What's the problems? Operation. Oh, so before we run it, we need to like finish the code till please enter the first and second number. So we also want the first and second number, guys, remember, or we can do the math, or the computer can't do the math. So number, and then you want to go ahead and do this first. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna do equals to int input. Oh wait, I spelled int wrong over there. Int. And once you have done that, you're gonna go here and type in input. Okay guys, and you're gonna do one more bracket, and you wanna type in is quote, please enter the first number. And you're gonna go ahead and put this little guy, and just go ahead and copy this code and hit enter and paste it, and then make this changes over here, put a backspace and make it 2, and please enter second number. So delete the first and put second. Yeah, second. Okay, now that we have done that, we're gonna go and hit enter, and you're gonna hit enter one more. And then now guys, now we have done the basics guys. Now we're going to use the if, else and else statement so that it can calculate guys. Cause this over here is just the, you know, the basics. So you know how the calculator asks you to put your first and second number so that it can calculate it. For like example 1 plus 1 and then it equals to 2. So in order it needs 2 numbers or more than 2 numbers. So I'm going to type in if operation then you want to do equal to 2 equal to sign, remember guys. And then you want to do quotes and then the addition sign, and you want to do this little dude over here. You're going to hit enter, and then you want to type in print. Then you're going to hit brackets and type in quotes, and you want to type in the top of the square bracket guys. I don't know what this is called. And then you want to do the addition sign. First hit space, then addition, then space again, and put those 2 signs again. You want to go ahead, put space, then you want to put 1 equal to sign guys. Okay guys, and once you have done that, you're gonna hit space bar. Then you're gonna go on the other side of the call, put a period. Then you want to type in format, and then you're gonna do is another bracket, and you want to type in is number underscore 1 plus. Oh wait, you don't do plus. Wait, my bad. Want to do a comma? Go hit spacebar. Number 2. And then this over here guys is representing the numbers. So over here it says print those numbers. Right after we write those numbers guys, it's gonna print us to make a double. It's gonna do a double check and then print. And then you wanna do is brackets, no exclamation points, and just do number 1 plus number, and these guys numbers will just pop up for you. Just go ahead, put down arrow and everything, so it just makes your coding easy. That's why I did it and plan to do this in Visual Studio Code. You're gonna hit enter. Oh wait, what? Yeah, that was my bad, sorry. You're gonna hit enter, and remember guys, the code isn't ready. So as you can see, it's not ready. It's just gonna give us an invalid syntax because it isn't ready yet. And you're gonna type in elif right underneath the, what is this? What? You wanna type in elif right under the if guys. It's gonna show this little line here. And make sure you have an enter. So yes, get line 16 guys. And then you're gonna do elif operation, and then do 2 equal to signs. Wanna do you wanna do quotes, and then you wanna do subtraction. Now we're gonna go ahead and do subtraction. So if the person has chosen a subtraction, oh wait, I forgot this little sign. And then if they have subtraction guys, so then it's gonna do subtraction. So guys, what you want to do is copy this print one that we have done over here. You're gonna go ahead and hit enter over here. Oh, wait, let me just delete those lines because that's gonna be confusing for you then. And let me just delete this line. Okay, now you want to paste it. And once you have pasted it, instead of the addition sign, guys, make sure you do a subtraction sign. And then you want to copy this, or you can just copy both. That just makes it easier, but I'm just doing it step by step. And delete the addition sign and do subtraction. You want to hit Control S. I'm just gonna copy that for the next one. And then you're gonna go ahead and hit enter, skip that line, and then hit backspace, and you want to type in Elif again. Oh my god, what is this? And you want to type in operations, and then you want to do the 2 equal to sign. But this time, guys, we're going to do the same thing, but with multiplication sign, guys. So once you have done that now, just make sure there's a space bar in the equal to and that, or it's going to give us an error. And you're going to hit this little sign. Make sure there's a tab. Then you want to paste this. Instead of subtraction, guys, now you want to put multiplication signs. So that just makes the code easier, because instead of typing it, then it's going to take a long time. Then you want to hit enter again, and then backspace. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to division. For division, guys, we're going to do LF2. And now we're going to do operations. I want to do equal to, and then we're going to do quotes, guys. Make sure quotes are there. Single quotes work fine. I would just suggest single quotes because I just want it to be single quotes. So I'm going to now hit enter, paste it. Instead of subtraction, I want to put division. We're just going to put division. Now we have done that. Make sure you save the code, and then you want to hit enter, and then you want to hit enter again, and you want to do a backspace, and the else, you want to type in else, and it should match over the elif, guys. And you want to do this little sign. You want to hit enter, and it's going to give you this tab. Don't mess around with it. And you want to type in this print. Then you're going to do this brackets. You have not typed a valid operator. And then once you have done that, go ahead and do comma and then a space bar, and please run the program again. So as you guys can actually predict that over here we're telling this little code over here, is this like in an error? So the guy has typed a letter instead of number, so then it's just not gonna be it. So it's gonna give you this error. And then now I'm just gonna hit this enter over here. Make sure there's an enter like this, guys. I want to do a backspace so it makes sure that matches up with the search, guys. I mean else. Oh, actually you want to hit one more backspace and make sure it doesn't matches up with the else. So it's gonna be on right next to the 31, guys. It's gonna be right next to 31. And then you want to hit enter. Want to hit enter again. And what you want to do is hit tab. And you make sure this one now lines up with else. And this is going to be a comment, guys. So that add comments are basically to help you. So we're just going to use this comment over here so that we can know what code. We have divided these into sections so that in case if we mess up the code, and then we know what part it's going to be on. So if it's an addition, it's going to tell this is the addition section. And remember, comment is always just gets ignored. Wait, and I wanted to go on this side. I'm gonna go function. I'm gonna go hit enter. I want to type in is again. I want to do brackets, guys. Bracket. And you want to hit enter again and hit enter again. And what you want to type in is hit backspace first, and then you want to type in def again. You want to do this bracket just like functions, guys. Remember what we did in functions, def func. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Make sure that sign is over here, and we're gonna hit enter, guys. And then it's gonna give us a tab, and what you want to type in is calc, and you want to type in is again. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna let you type that because I've been going too fast, I think so. So let me just give you a while. Okay, now that you have probably done that, I want to hit a equal to sign, and you want to type in is raw, guys, and then you want to type in is underscore input. Once you have done that, what you want to do is go ahead and put this bracket. I want to do, guys, the 6 quotes. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Want to go to the 3 one, and you want to hit enter, guys. Make sure you do that. And then before you do that enter, what I want you to type in over here is do you want to calculate again. So so far the code is finished, guys. So all this is gonna do is just ask it once they're done if they want to calculate again. So please type capital Y for yes. Make sure everything is caps lock. Yes. Or N for NO, guys. You want to hit enter and make sure that's like that, and make sure you're on line 40. Then, guys, what you want to do is hit enter again. Want to hit enter again, and what you want to type in is if calc again dot upper. Then you want to do brackets, and make sure 2 equal to signs, guys, on the side of it. You want to type, make sure there's a space there, I messed up. And you want to type in is quotes and capital Y, of course, because you know that's what over there it is. And then you want to do this little sign, hit enter, and then you want to do calculate, and then you want to do brackets. Now time for the no. elif, want to type in the elif calc again da upper, and then you want to do brackets, go on the side and do 2 equal to sign, guys, quotes, and want to do shift N, and then you're going to put this little dude over here. I'm going to hit enter and then do print. Then you want to do brackets, and you want to do quotes, see you later. You want to do a dot. Okay, guys? And then you want to go hit enter, and you want to type in the else. So if they haven't choose no, guys, the else over here is telling it that just do the thing over again. Okay, guys? Now you're gonna go hit enter, and then hit enter again, and then hit backspace. Make sure it's behind the else. It's gonna be here, and you're gonna do calculate, and then you want to do brackets. Now, guys, our calculator's done. Make sure you save the code, guys, and just run the code. Line 30. We have done something wrong on line 30, guys. So let's go to line 30. And I think so this is something wrong with this. It's gonna happen to you too, so I figured out what actually was wrong, guys. So make sure over here, guys, you know how we did it and enter? Make sure you hit backspace for that. and make sure that goes over here. So make sure you have only used 48 lines, guys. And then want to go ahead and run the program, and then I'm pretty sure it should work. Oh, there we go. And now you're gonna type, you can test it out. I'm gonna do addition. It's gonna ask us our first number, 5, 5, and then it gives us an answer, guys. And if we do N, capital N for no, it says see you later. And if we run the code, and if we do, let's just go with addition again. Let's just do addition again. Oh wait, let me just run that again. And then if I do 5, 55, and 55, it's gonna give us 110, and I'm just gonna type in Y to see what happens. And yes, there we go, guys. Our code works, guys. So that was pretty much it for this video. So now you can just enjoy with your calculator. Hope so you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.